Oh, saw your question here, wrote over here, but according to a study, Chapter 8, Section 2, portion of people who satisfy the way things are going in their life is 0.86. Suppose that a random sample, 100 people obtain complete the following. So you were asking down here about C and D. Part C, I mean, you just round it incorrectly. It says round to 3 decimals. When I checked, you put in 12 here. It's just n times p times quantity 1 minus p. Where p is 0.86 and n is 100. You just simply did not round correctly. Now, on this one here, standard deviation for the sample proportion, the formula is it's square root of p times quantity 1 minus p over n. And then p is 0.86 and n is 100. So I just put that in my calculator, and it gave me 0.03 for what they want us to round to, 3 decimals. So that'd be 0.035. Oh yeah, that's what they have there. And part D, I guess I went to the normal calculator. Click on stat, normal calculator. Calculators are normal. And the mean is 0.86, that was given, or the P was 0.86. Standard deviation is what we just calculated, and we want it to be greater than, exceeds 0.9, so we need a greater than there. 0.9 compute gives you a nice picture. That area or probability is given here, is what, 0.1265. They tell you to round to 4 places, and they'll count it wrong if you don't. Hope that helps.